আসল ওএমআর শিটের প্রতিলিপি না থাকলে টেট পরীক্ষার্থীদের নম্বর বিকৃত করা হয়নি সেটা বুঝবেন কি করে? যে ডিজিটাইজ তথ্যের কথা বলছেন সেটা তো এডিট করা সম্ভব। আসল ওএমআর শিট না থাকাতে সমস্যার সূত্রপাত মন্তব্য করলেন বিচারপতি অমৃতা সিনহা। সঙ্গে বললেন, কে টেট পাশ করেছে, কে করেনি, কার নম্বর বাড়ানো হয়েছে ইডির রিপোর্টে স্পষ্ট নয়। আদালতে প্রাথমিক শিক্ষা পর্ষদের পাল্টা সওয়াল শুধুমাত্র সন্দেহজনক বলেই চিহ্নিত করা হয়েছে। মূলত টেট ফেল করেও প্রাথমিক চাকরি পেয়েছিল আরও 96 জন। আদালতে দেওয়া সিবিআই রিপোর্টে কার্যত স্বীকার করে নিলেও প্রাথমিক শিক্ষা পর্ষদ এর আগে 265 জন টেট ফেল ব্যক্তির চাকরি বাতিল করার নির্দেশ দিয়েছিল আদালত। যদিও সেই চাকরি বাতিলের নির্দেশ সুপ্রিম কোর্টের অন্তর্বর্তী স্থগিত আদেশ রয়েছে। এদিন আদালতে বিচারপতির নির্দেশ দেন, প্রাথমিক নিয়োগ দুর্নীতি তদন্তে সিবিআই এবং ইডির অফিসারেরা এবার পর্ষদের অফিসে যাবেন। দুই কেন্দ্রীয় তদন্তকারী সংস্থার আধিকারিকরা এবার খতিয়ে দেখবেন ওএমআর শিট ডিজিটাইজ করার সিদ্ধান্ত কে নিয়েছিল, কেন নিয়েছিল, কোন প্রক্রিয়ায় তা ডিজিটাইজ করা হয়েছিল। এগুলো সবই তদন্ত করে দেখতে হবে কেন্দ্রীয় তদন্তকারী সংস্থাকে। পাশাপাশি তদন্তকারীদের সব রকমের সাহায্য করার নির্দেশ দেওয়া হয়েছে প্রাথমিক শিক্ষা পর্ষদকে।
Both these are available, but then where is the source of the marks? Source of the marks is the OMR sheets that you have destroyed. Now, what you are showing as the digitized data possibly is not the digitized data. They are just, you have... Photocopies, that means Mr. Bhattacharya was submitting on the other petition that mirror copies of the OMR sheets. Mirror copies means photocopies.
My lordship, in recently, no. Mirror
soft copies.
My lord, nowadays,
Soft
my lord,
copies.
high courts are dealing with online mode. Sir,
That was not done. This is where
yes,
manipulation took place. Yes. This is the apprehension of the petitioners that this is where the manipulation took place. Let them continue with it now.
No, let them continue. But so far, the lordship will find nothing could be found out. Nothing could be said to be wrong, except, Lord, I say, even at I think at the risk of repetition, I have submitted report already. 96. This is wrong. This is wrong from the part of the board. And there may be 10-20 other instances. Other than that, Lord, nothing else could be said to be manipulation. Even after so many investigations, neither CBI nor ED could find out any manipulation, except Lord this. This is wrong.
And the heaps of money coming out from nowhere.
I do not know, Lord, what from where. Lord, it may be Guru Pachar, it may be sand, it may be anything.
Oh, that means there may be several other illegal activities.
There may be several other illegal
Collective amount.
Including education also. Maybe I do not.
Collective amount from all illegalities.
But how can I, Lord, find out that this money was received from
Education related
education.
issues.
This is from sand. This is from what is that? Cattle
Smuggling.
So many aspects. There are so many scams, and from where, Lord, this money came? Lord, this, Lord, is not possible for the board to explain.
No, certainly not for the board. The ED is there to look after the money trail.
The ED and the CBI may not have not been able so far to locate this, except not questioning some persons who said that I have paid this, and who are they?
Yes, I've seen that.
Maybe I have not seen that copy of that report. But then, the fact still remains, I would say, that whatever money has been accepted to have been given by the respective candidates, I do not know whether those candidates got employment or they were not appointed. I do not know. If the statements are of persons who are not appointed and say that I paid 3 lakhs, but another 3 lakhs was not paid, therefore I did not get. I don't think the non-appointed candidates can make any statement. Whether how far that is reliable or not, it is.
And you think the candidates who were appointed will come and say voluntarily, yes, I have paid the money and I have been appointed.
That could have some authenticity. That could have some authenticity. But it is totally, beyond the board's purview.
No. Yes, board is not the authority to investigate. Yes, I have followed it.
But I clarify this, 20, there was no intermediate selection process. 16 and 20.
Yes.
There are 2 lists submitted, one by the CBI, the other by the ED. I am first dealing with the list regarding the list of CBI, which contains 3 different parts. Report A, report relating to list submitted by the Central Bureau of Investigation, page 1. Paragraph 1. Pursuant to the order dated so and so passed by the Honorable Justice Sinha, the CBI provided the lists of candidates who had appeared in TET 2014 and got appointment as assistant teacher in primary schools, though they did not qualify in TET 2014 and or did not have training certificate while applying for and appearing at the said examination. There are 2 types. The number of candidates concerning these 2 categories were 96 and 46 respectively. 96, they did not qualify in TET. 46, didn't have training qualification. That's in the list. As per CBI, Annexure 2, containing 96 names, includes 4 candidates who got appointment in lieu of cash. Annexure 3 includes names of 264 candidates who were once terminated and then reinstated, both in terms of court order. Annexure 5 consists of names of 25 candidates with mobile numbers of Taposh Mondol and 2 sub-agents of Kuntal Ghosh. Now regarding 3, our investigation is still incomplete, the reason I have stated, but we have found this allegation to be correct. Regarding 96 candidates, as mentioned in Annexure 2, I am dealing with that separately now. The board had issued letter to them through respective DPSCs, asking them to appear before the designated officer of the board on dates fixed between 19 September 23 and 27 September 23. Along with documented evidence in support of the TET 2014 qualification. For those who fail to produce such document, the board shall take prompt action towards termination of their services. The marks shown in respect of each of the 96 candidates in Annexure 2 have been verified with the records of the board, and the same have been found to be correct. The marks, as mentioned by the CBI, has been found to be correct. Lesser marks. However, for compliance of natural justice, opportunity as aforesaid has been given to them to produce documented evidence regarding TET 2014 qualification, if any. Regarding the 4 separately named persons in the list of 96 in Annexure 2, the board has no such statutory framework to verify the allegation of bribery. They said that 4 have got appointment through.
No, but then these 4 persons are eligible for appointment or not? Regarding the marks, regarding the state certificate and everything?
Regarding that, we have issued letters to all the 96.
All the 96, including the 4. All right.
So far as the bribery part is concerned,
that you cannot ascertain. Yes.
Then Annexure 3, with 264 names, being sub judice, the board is not in a position to draw any conclusion. Now,
why 264? You cannot draw conclusion.
96 is
all right, but what about this 264?
This is sub judice before the Honorable Supreme Court. We do not want to make any comment on that. That is
Regarding what? Wrong questions. One extra mark. All right, one additional.
One additional mark regarding that, and that is completely missing.
One mark illegal.
Yes.
Whether they are at all 1 mark short or not, this has to be. They can found it out from the way mark sheet if they have the way mark sheet. So there is no what the Supreme Court has stated, my lord. Their appointments shall not be terminated. But there is no embargo that board shall investigate and file a report that whether they are at all 1 mark short or not, because these are not pending before the Supreme Court.
All right, I will look into it.
They are 1 mark short. That has been specifically stated by the board, my lord, even before the Supreme Court, that they had 1 mark short. But how that mark was given, whether that additional mark of 1 mark was rightly given or not, that is a matter pending. That is pending before the Supreme Court.
We'll look into that 264. What about the rest?
When Annexure 4
Annexure
names
4.
46 candidates who are alleged to be untrained. These 46 candidates are part of the 264 as mentioned in Annexure 3. In order to verify their training qualification, the board has issued letters to them through respective DPSCs directing them to produce the documentary evidence in support of their training qualification. The dates for their appearance have been fixed between 29 September and 4th October 2023. Therefore, this also requires verification, and for that we have issued letters. They will come produce their training qualification certificate if any. Therefore, these 46, which is part of this 264.
Tell me one thing. How will you all verify the marks till you have the original OMRs?
Yes. Original OMR is not there. We cannot improve upon that. But the digitalized documents that are available.
But then these digits can be edited.
Editable.
Isn't it? If the digits are editable.
Digitized copy, my lord.
Everything is editable. Whatever is digitized can be done.
I'll hear. Please wait.
So far as this part is concerned, my lord, there is one thing which the NIA has done, the first initial exercise, and that is available in, my lord, the cloud. In a cloud or something, in NIC, they have their original things preserved in the satellite
original AMRs, the QMRs, is there
system in the satellite system. They call cloud. Some cloud.
OMR sheet. What OMR sheet?
No, they do not have the OMR sheet, so no use pressing into that.
This can be verified from that.
From the cloud.
NICs. From the cloud.
How is the NIC getting into this?
NIC has published the result.
NIC has?
On the basis of the data furnished by us.
Yes.
NIC has
on the basis of the data furnished by you.
Yes.
Now, what is the genuinity of this data? Whatever you have furnished to NIC has stored it in the cloud.
Yes.
No, but then if you do not have the original data.
We don't have the original data.
Right.
There is no question about that.